In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up and use the WooCommerce integration in RepairDesk 2.0. Let's begin. To start, log into RepairDesk and select Integrations from the left-hand bar. Then go to the E-commerce tab and under the WooCommerce section, click on Setup. On the page that shows, you'll be asked to enter your WooCommerce website address. Enter it in the text field, then click on Connect in the top right corner. You should now be taken to a page where you'll have to approve your WooCommerce connection. Click on the Approve button to proceed. You'll be taken back to RepairDesk with a host of new options after a successful connection. Let's leave them as is for now and select Items from the left-hand bar and go to Products. On this screen, select the item you'd like to show in your online store. And on the left-hand side, click on the Sync with WooCommerce option to enable it. Now, we need to set the online price for this item. To do that, in the Pricing section, select the Online Price field and enter your desired amount. When you're done, click on the Save button in the top right corner. You'll get a notification telling you your update has been successful. And in the item history log, you should be able to see that the product was synced with WooCommerce. Now over on your website's WordPress backend, go to the WooCommerce section in the left-hand bar and select Products. Then click on Search Product to refresh the page. You'll now see the item you just enabled in RepairDesk with the same price that you put in earlier. And if you go over to your store and search for your product there, you'll see it listed with the same amount. Let's click on Add to Cart and proceed with the checkout process. Once a customer has placed their order, they'll be able to see the order number on your website. Let's make a note of that. Now back in RepairDesk, if we head over to the Finances section in the left-hand bar and click on All Invoices, we'll be able to see a new entry added. You can use the filter options on the left-hand side and select WooCommerce from the Online Invoices section to see all your online invoices better. We found a new entry, so let's click on it to see the details. As you see, when we open this invoice, it has a record that it is a WooCommerce order, and the order number is the same as we saw on our website earlier. This means that our systems are now in complete sync with each other. And that's how you can set up and use the WooCommerce integration in RepairDesk 2.0. Thanks for watching.